Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Cook with Honey. So today we are going to make fish tacos. So let's start. Let's start making our coleslaw first. We need 1 cup of purple cabbage, 1 cup of green cabbage, half cup of diced cucumbers, half cup of red onions, 2 tomatoes, 1/4 cup of julienne carrots, 1 tablespoon of cilantro, 1 jalapeno diced, juice of 2 lemons, teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Just mix everything and add this in. Toss everything together and set aside. Let's start making our jalapeno sauce for the fish tacos. We need 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of horseradish. If you don't have, you can skip it. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped pickled jalapenos. Or if you like more, you can add more. And just mix everything and set aside. Let's start with our fish coatings. We will need 2 coatings, our dry coating and wet coating. Let's start with our dry coating. We need 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and stir everything. And for our wet ingredients, we have 1 cup of flour, half cup of ground saltine crackers, 1 teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon of baking powder. Stir everything. 1 beaten egg, 1 1/2 can of club soda. Our wet batter is ready, and we need a tray with foil on top. So we have 2 pounds of tilapia. You can also use cod or salmon. I forgot to add 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, so I'm adding it now. Let's start frying our fish. We have oil in our pan. Turn your heat on high for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, turn it down to medium. Let's check our oil. Place a wooden stick in the oil and press down. When you begin to see bubbles around the stick, then the oil is ready. We are dipping our fish into our dry coating first, and then dip it in the wet coating and begin frying. Fry each side for 3 minutes or until golden brown, and continue this process. So we have finished frying our fish. So let's start assembling our fish tacos. So here we have cupcake trays. Just flip them over. We also need tortillas. We are going to put them like this. We are going to add our coleslaw. Add our fish, and we are going to add a little bit more coleslaw. We are spreading a little bit of our jalapeno sauce. And we are going to drizzle a little bit of sriracha sauce and topping it off with little bit of cilantro. This is the final product. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe. And enjoy!